To leave or delete a league in ESPN Fantasy Football League, you will need to simply click the Leave League link on your team page before the league drafts happen. The league draft is basically when the players get drafted into teams. So then you can't leave because you have to pursue the whole season because you have gotten the players you will need to use. So team manager can't leave a league. That's a plus point. And yeah, if you're league manager, the league LM has to delete you from the league, and there is not an option to leave the league for team managers. So yeah, this is how you can delete your league. So this is a way to remove your team from a league. And if you want to, basically, what you want to say, delete your league, you will simply click on the LM Tools tab on the web, then select delete league under the league administration tools column, such as they have done, and then confirm it deletion twice before it will process. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily do it. Thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, and have a great rest